Hello everyone, my name is Poonam Kumari, PRT at KVIT Guwahati. I want to share a beautiful story about friendship. Once there was a village, there lived two little boys who were best friends, Anuj and Kartik. Anuj was 6 years old and Kartik was 10 years old. They used to spend their time together, playing, eating, and bathing in the pond. One day, they decided to visit a nearby village. On their way, they came across a well. Kartik was thirsty, so they decided to rest under the shade of the tree near the well and enjoy some fresh water and started to play around it. Suddenly Kartik slipped and he fell into the well. He started to drown because he did not know how to swim. Anuj was shocked and terrified by this incident. So he started to shout for help, but unfortunately there was no one around. When he realized there is no one to help, he quickly grabbed the bucket which was attached with a rope, flung it into the well. Kartik quickly grabbed the bucket and Anuj started to pull the bucket up. As he was younger than Kartik, he was struggling to pull his friend out of the well. After few attempts, he was very exhausted, but he did not give up on his friend. He kept on pulling the rope with all his strength. Finally, after some time, he was able to pull him out of the well. His friend thanked him and they returned to the village. When they reached home, Kartik told about the incident to his parents. They were not able to believe because Anuj was younger than Kartik. They told this story to everyone in the village. No one can believe except an old man. When the villagers asked what made you believe on their story, he said, I know it's true because at that time there was no one around them to make him believe that he cannot do it. So the man told the villager that nothing is impossible to a willing heart. So student, moral of the story is nothing is impossible for a willing heart. Similarly, this pandemic, students and teachers both are facing difficulties while adjusting with a new system of online education. But we should never give up and always try to convert the challenge into possibilities. So our positive outlook and mentality decide our ability. So here are questions for you. What mental challenges you faced while attending online classes and how did you overcome them? And the question 2, do you like traditional classroom or online classroom? Give reasons. Thank you and have a nice day.